Red onion, a real savior for the body, you should love it. Red onions have long been valued among the people, because it is not only tasty, but also very healthy. First, it strengthens the immune system. Red onion contains a large number of trace elements, which give it a characteristic color. These substances strengthen the immune system, tighten the walls of blood vessels, and also help fight signs of infection. Secondly, lowers cholesterol. Elevated blood cholesterol has a number of dangerous consequences, so you must use any method to reduce it. If you regularly use red onions in your diet, then after a few months the level of cholesterol in the body will decrease by 20%. Thirdly, it has an antiseptic effect due to its disinfecting capabilities. Red onion, like its white cousin, successfully acts as an antiseptic for viral and bacterial diseases. In folk medicine, red onion is used to treat and prevent worms and to treat gums. Fourth is that this vegetable normalizes metabolism. Red onion is a storehouse of vitamins A, B, C and pp. Such a rich vitamin harvest stimulates metabolism, and this in turn contributes to weight loss, and also has anti-aging properties for the skin. Fifth point, stimulates the digestive tract. This type of onion contains acid in its composition, which favorably affects the work of the gastrointestinal system. To all those who suffer from constant pain in the stomach during the chronic course of a number of diseases, red onions are indicated for regular use. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.